Okay, this is a video to hopefully help somebody else who might be put a parking sensor into a Audi A3. We've got a 3-door Audi A3 S-Line, 2-litre turbo. So I bought these parking sensors off, I was online. They came with 4 black sensors which match the colour of the car. Comes with a buzzer, which is that's what's going off now, and a actual sensor unit there. Let's just move the sensor so it doesn't go off. There it goes, parking into thin air at the moment. Okay, so to get into the area I need, okay, I've had to strip a few things out. Let me just show you those. First of all, I had to take this part out. Now normally when you open the boot, this is upwards on the back of the boot, okay, with the locking mechanism for the boot. Okay, it looks like that when you're above it. You just simply pull this out, yank it out, give it a good tug, and it will pop out. It's just sitting in these 2 grooves here. So that's that. I think this actually has a warning triangle. Once you've got that out, then you can look at taking this out, which is on the left hand side. Well, I've taken the left hand side partition out. So this is above the wheel arch, and there's one screw just there, like a Torx, small Torx. And this will then pop out. All these will pop out. There's one there. You've got to take off the light as well, the connection, and this is some pop outs. That simply pops out. You have to put down the seat, the left hand seat, to get it out completely, because the felt and everything is there. Once you've got that out, you need to remove the speaker housing, which is 3 bolts, 1, 2 and 3. They're just some nuts, that's all. Once you've got that out of the way, then you can remove the rubber that goes around. You can see it's off there, but it's on there. It goes around the boot, and you've got all this then exposed to get into the plastics for the drilling and all that, and the wiring. So the way sorry, that's the sensor. Again, so where I'm going to wire it, I'm going to wire all the cables through this grommet here. Okay, and the parking sensor itself is wired in. Power, okay, is red and black. The black on the reverse light, as you can see, the reverse light is on. So the ignition is on, and the reverse is ignition is on, and it's in reverse, but I've not switched the engine on. The black has got a bit of red on it from the red when they're joined together. When I pulled it back, it's still got a bit of red on it. So, but it is black. That goes to the brown, or the cable that comes through the grommet hole there. And then I've got the positive, which goes to the blue and red. There's a thin blue and red there. Okay, so positive to this one, negative to this one, goes back to the sensor, into the power port, and then your buzzer, okay, goes into the alarm, and then you get your 4 parking sensors, A, B, C, and D. Some sensors might come with 6 sensors. Some parking kits might come with 6 sensors. So yeah, it's very simple actually. Very simple to do. So once you've got the power in, then just fit in the sensors at the right level, make sure they're flat. There's the wiring diagram. If you have a display, we've just got a buzzer, so that's really simple. There's different ways in this kit. Just give you an ideal scenario with the sensors. So there's a diagram for the sensors. I've got 4, so I'm going to be fitting it sort of similar to this. And then I'm going to fit the unit down in that corner. The buzzer's going to be placed up here somewhere so that it can be heard from the front. And all the wiring is going to go through that grommet hole and into the sensor itself. So anyway, hope this helps somebody else who might be doing the same. So I stand in front of the sensor now. Yeah. There's the sensor. I'm going forward and back. I've gone away from it now. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. It's going to be wired in ASAP. Hope this helps somebody. Alright, take care, bye.